How to create a TeraBox account. Whether you are looking for a free cloud storage or a secure way to save your files, TeraBox is a great choice, so let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and go to www.terabox.com. You will see the home page with a big sign up button at the top right corner. If you are on a smartphone, download the TeraBox app from the Google Play Store or App Store. Once installed, open the app and tap on sign up. You can sign up using Google account, Facebook account, Apple ID, email or phone number. I recommended using your email account for a faster setup. Tap on sign up, enter your email address, tap on verify email address. TeraBox will send you verification code to confirm your account. Just enter the code and you are good to go. And create your password and re-enter your password. Tap on register now. Your TeraBox account is ready. You will get 1 TB of free cloud storage to start uploading your files now. That's it. You have successfully created your TeraBox account. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.